Hey,
Hello.
how's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. So my name's Kieran, and I had to introduce myself because you look very interesting.
Well, thank you.
Who am I talking to?
Nice to meet you.
So what are you up to right now?
Just a little walk. A little sunset walk.
So how about this? How about you and I go for a walk on the beach? Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Alright, hop on.
Okay.
So you've got a very spiritual type of vibe about you.
Spiritual vibe.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Interesting.
I mean, does that track with your personality? Yeah? Am I onto something?
I like to say
Okay, I can't see shit. I've got to focus on the road. I've got to keep us both alive.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm riding about. I can do both. I can look at my head.
Yeah, because you're a woman, that's why. I'm a man, I can't multitask.
Better at multitasking.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. That's pretty much it. Right, I have 100% focus on a single task.
That's fair.
Yeah, like all of my attention.
Is that what you I just feel like I'm very protective, so I just like, I've had a lot of near misses, a lot of just like I wouldn't say I'm like the safest driver, but I mean, look it, we made it, we're still here.
That's true.
Yeah, I feel like I'm very protected.
Well, if that's true, then you'd be a good person to keep around, because if you're protected, some of that protection will rub off on me.
Well, yeah, this is like coming at the cost of the person that, with me, but,
Alright, so tell me about you.
So, my name is Natalia. I'm from Russia. I live in Bali already 13 years. And before, when I left Bali, I fell in love with snake. And Bali give me everything. Plus, at home now, I also have snake. This is just friend of my pets.
Why are you so comfortable with this snake? Why are you not terrified, running away in fear?
If you know a little bit character of snake, you should feel them when you can touch them, when better not cannot touch. Like very not disturb me, don't need much attention, and plus it's cold. When your body get hot, you just take snake on your body and it's give you cold. For snake, it's cold blood, right?
Alright, so what sort of things are you doing for fun when you're not playing with snakes?
I like many arts. I'm dancer, and I do many artistic things. I work with wood. I'm painting pictures and sewing. Make some costume for show also. So all about art.
Okay. Am I right in guessing that Bali changed your life and you will never move back to Russia?
I cannot say change my life. I think just give me time for I change my life myself.
Oh, I see. Well, good talk.
Like that. So thank you, Bali. Thank you everything for give to me. For I'm growing. I'm growing like person, like woman. In Russia, I think it will be more harder, but it will be happen. Just maybe late than now.
And you do, can I just say, you look so at home with this snake? You look at home with the snake. At home.
Yeah, now I'm
like you are in your comfortable, happy
Yes,
place. I can see
true.
this.
It's
very,
true.